Well, good morning once again, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to JJ's PC Builds. We're going to get a little B roll started for you. So do stick around and enjoy this moment right here on JJ's PC Builds. And welcome back to y'all. Well, it looks like AMD Adrenalin. You're going to love this. AMD Adrenalin come out with the 2212 1. Okay, but it's not designed for the older cards. It looks like this design, and I can't even get this update for mine. From my iGPU. So this looks like it's a design for the RX 7900. We're going to go ahead and roll to that. Looks like the design right here is for the RX 7900 series graphics. Okay, it looks like known issues. Corruption may be encountered when using virtual super resolution with multi-display configuration. Resolution targeted for 12 or 2212.2. Looks like they got an update coming for that. System crashes may be observed when changing display modes with 4 display configuration. They got a target for 2212.2. High idle power output has simultaneously been observed when using high resolution, high refresh rate display, and so on and so on and so on. So if anybody is looking for this to be for their older cards, this one's not going to be for you. Okay, it's not even going to be for me, but I'm still going to take and do my diligence like I always do. And when it comes to, reporting this card, I can't, this driver update, I can't tell you exactly because it's not in my system, so I can't exactly tell you until I get the RX 7900 XT or the 7900 or 7900 XTX. So, but its compatibility is just with the 7900 series graphics. But it will work with Windows 10 and Windows 11. I figure I'd shoot this out to y'all and tell you it just came up. So if you do got the RX 7900 series, they have a driver update, just to let you know. So this way, you can see that they're making their goals more towards the 7900 series. It would be nice if they had more driver updates for my iGPU, but obviously they don't. And mine's not fairly old. From the time I bought it was 3 months ago, so basically I get what I get with my driver updates. Sad but true, it is what it is. So my final thought about this, I can't tell you more on it because I mean I can't elaborate on it because I don't have the 7900 series card. Okay, but I can tell you it's out there. So I can tell you that it has known issues and tell you they're working on the known issues. But I can't tell you how good the driver is with the card because I don't have the 7900 series cards. And I still gotta, wait for my finances to come up and, be able to afford it. And I'm trying to do everything I can to work towards getting more hardware that I can start testing on and everything else. It's taking time. And I do apologize to all my subscribers and the ones that want to subscribe. I do apologize to you, but I am trying my best. And times are tight now these days. You know how it goes. I'm still trying to get subscribers, trying to get to up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours because that helps build the channel. And we want to be able to get you more information and have more builds and everything else, but it takes all of us to work together to make this channel grow. But it's not a long video. It's going to be a short video, but make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribing would help. Watching the videos from beginning to end will help tremendously. It would be much appreciated. I'm by myself doing the video editing and everything else, so it is what it is. Until the next time and the next video, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you then.